Minister ni ahinyiriirie thirikari cia matura onacio kunyita itemi hari guteithiriria athunduri aindo itiganite, akiuga na njira ino utonga wa bururi no guthii na mbere na kugacira na oho guthondeka mieke ya mawira.
We really want to work together to be able to support these innovations, and I therefore want to applaud the county government of Laikipia for ensuring that you actually put your money where your mouth is. The establishment of the innovation board, the partnerships with local banks to support enterprises. It should be inspiring to other governments and other county governments as well, because I'm certain not everybody will have a vehicle, but they can innovate other things.
Akiaria hindi icera riake taunini ya Nyahururu kaunti ya Laikipia kuria ageneire athunduri a ngari ya maguru mana muthemba wa tuk-tuk ganda-ini gia Sagak, Minister Betty Maina ni agathiririe aria mokite na kioneki giki, akiuga ironania ati bururi ugerete ogacira karia kagiriire gukinyaniria kioneki gia gutura na kwendia ngari guku bururi-ini. Akiaria kahindi-ini orokau, gavana wa Laikipia Ndiritu Muriithi na murugamiri wa kiganda gia Sagak Wallace Kariuki maruga kioneki na muoroto wa uthondeki wa tuk-tuk ni kuonania ati kuri ona mweneni wa bururi kuhuthira athunduri anini gwika maundu manene.
Been working together in a collaborative fashion that goes to demonstrate what amazing things we can do as government agencies when we pull together and we support a process.
When you buy from Sagak, you are creating jobs here in Kenya. So we encourage you to buy Laikipia, to buy Kenya, and we are going to build Kenya together.
Riu marenda ruhonge rwa KRA kuhitukia mendekithia makuhe ngari ici marua niguo mahote kwenderia andu aria monanitie gukenio ni wira uyu, hamwe nake muikiriri giti wa kambuni ya Royal Media Services SK Macharia uria wetereire kunengererio ngari yake wona marua maya maheanwo.
One of the units already bought by His Excellency the Governor. The second unit has been bought by SK Macharia of Royal Media. We have orders of 40 units from different people.
Na twari kirie ni athirire makiuga ikiro indo iria maugaga nitwekirire matienda gutuhe marwa.
Samuel Jogu uria ni umwe wa aria mokite na kioneki giki aruga thirikari noyo iri na uge wa mwisho, akiuga haha niho karima kaneneheire. Uguri wa ngari thondekirwo guku bururi-ini urorete gukinyanira wona thirikari yathie na mbere na kunyita mbaru athunduri taya a BJ50 guthie na mbere na guthondeka ngari ta ici. Ngiribotere Inooro TV kuma tauni ya Nyahururu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, njitagwo Peter Mwangi.